Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Microsoft Surface 12 Pro or Pro 12. So, I'm gonna show you two different ways in which we can enter the recovery mode, but before we do that, let's switch to another device to check how we can find our BitLocker recovery keys, which we maybe will need to unlock our device in case BitLocker gets triggered on this tablet. So in order to find our BitLocker recovery keys, we're gonna have to use another device. In my case, I'm gonna be using this PC, but you can also use your smartphone or anything, tablet, whatever, laptop, whatever you can find nearby. And you're gonna have to search for the following address, aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this web address, copy it, paste it into the address field in your web browser, and wait for the following page to load. Now here we're gonna have to sign into the Microsoft account that is linked with our Surface. So enter your email address in here, click next, and then enter your password. Let me do this real quick. Press enter again. Okay, then we're gonna have to confirm our identity using our email. So send a code to your email address, then check your email and find the code from Microsoft, find the code in the mail from Microsoft and enter it in here. And after you do that, you'll be able to see your recovery keys in the middle column of the table that shows up on the screen. On the left side, in the first column, we see device name. So if you know your device name, you'll easily find your recovery, matching the recovery key. If you don't know, you can also check the key upload date. If you remember when you added your Microsoft account to your tablet, so basically when you set up your tablet. And lastly, we also have the key IDs, which is the option that you use in case you don't know any of this. So if our device gets locked by a BitLocker, you simply use key ID to which is going to be shown on the page you're going to see on your tablet, and find the recovery key that is matching it. And that's pretty much it. So now you are prepared to get into recovery mode. And what we're gonna have to do to get to recovery mode, in case you can do it through your system, is basically we're gonna have to go to the start menu, then open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to select system on the sidebar, and then we're gonna have to scroll down to recovery. Here we're gonna have to tap restart now under advanced startup. Tap restart now and wait until your device is restarted. It's gonna restart directly to the recovery mode. So let's wait. Okay, and as you can see, here we are. So we can go to Troubleshoot, then advanced options, and access all the recovery stuff that we need to access. I'm gonna turn off this PC to show you the second way. So the second way to enter the recovery mode is by preparing a recovery media, which I show how to do in our separate video that is titled How to Install Windows 11 on this device, because we need the recovery media to be created out of our USB flash drive in order to install Windows 11 on this device. And that's what you basically use to enter the recovery mode from outside your system. So you just insert your USB flash drive into your tablet, then you have to hold down the volume down key, and while holding it down, short press the power button to launch it. Now we're gonna have to wait until we see the loading circle beneath the Microsoft logo. And the moment we see it is when we can release the volume down button. Okay, so now let's wait until device boots up into the recovery mode. And here we have it. So here we can choose the language, then the keyboard layout, and then access the advanced tools for recovery. So I'm just gonna turn off this PC once again. And yeah, that's how you enter recovery mode on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.